Hello, presenters! I know that you want to impress your audience and want to make them happy and satisfied. But it is very sad to say you can never be an effective presenter until you use PCCA. Hello there, this is Jazz and I welcome all of you to Pro Presentation Series, a 7-day show. It is designed to enhance your presentation skills. This is day 2 of the training, and day 1 of the training we discussed all the basics of the presentation skills, such as what is presentation, types of presentation, importance of presentation, difference between presentation and public speaking. And today I'm going to elaborate on PCCA, which is really very crucial part of the presentation. An American naturalist, Mr. John Burroughs, says, if you can think it, you can do it. The first thing is to think you are going to be a presenter, and as a presenter you have several responsibilities to obey. You have to take care of your audience. As you know, there are 3 elements of any presentation: PCA, presenter, content and audience. If I remove this content from here, then the presenter and the audience will be separated. A content creates the relationship between presenter and the audience. A content connects audience. A content compels audience to listen to you. That's why you have to create the relevant content for your audience. And how could you create the relevant content for your audience? You have to just analyze your audience. You have to just know your audience. You have to know your audience well and completely. Like, what are their likes, dislikes, religion, culture, profession, age group, right? You have to know everything. What are their expectations from you? You have to understand this well. And after knowing them, you're ready to create your content. And for creating your content, you can go to internet. The world is there, right? You can search anything on the internet and search there, research it, everything from there, and pen down on a paper. And go to books. If you have the books, then go to the books, read out there about your topic and pen down on the paper. And go to people and talk to them. Hey, do you know about this? What do you think about this? Know from them and pen down on the paper, right? And after this process, you are ready with your contents, and use your brain to ask questions to yourself. What could my audience ask me? Pen down the answers of those questions. And once you are done with this collecting, information, then you have to remove the excess knowledge, excess information, and irrelevant content from your contents, right? Remove it away. And after removing, you are ready to organize and structure your contents. Okay, you have to structure your content into 3 segments: OBC, opening, body and closing, or you can call this introduction, description and conclusion. Introduction or opening is to connect the audience. You have to connect your audience with the opening, right? So you have to create your opening very connecting, very hypnotizing, so that you could connect to your audience. And the body is the main information. Your description is the main information that you're to deliver with your audience effectively. And the third one is your closing. Closing is to recapping the information, whatever you've talked in your presentation. You have to recap once, because your audiences start from beginning and they come in the middle, then they go to the end and they start forgetting the points. That's why you have to, recap it once again and the last. Because your opening, your first impression is to connect your audience, your last impression to remember your audience. They would be remembering you for a long time. And after structuring your contents, then you have to organize your content properly. Organization includes using PPT, PowerPoint presentations, and you have to use text, images, or diagrams, table, chart properly so that your audience could understand that well. And for creating the PowerPoint presentation, I would be telling you in upcoming episodes of the Pro Presentation Series. But today I'll be telling you about communication. Once you're done with your content writing, content creation, then you have to rehearse your content properly. After rehearsing, you have to present before your audience. Many people say to me, sir, I have a lot of contents, but I'm unable to communicate with my audience because my communication skill is very weak. So ladies and gentlemen, I would recommend you to improve your communication skills. Right, improve your communication skills, understand people well, go to people and talk to them, start communicating with all the age group people, right? Talk to the kids, talk to the, senior citizens, talk to them effectively, make them laugh, make them connect with you. So these things are very important for you, right? You have to improve your communication skills for being a great presenter. Don't forget to be real. Mention the source site from where have you taken the content. such as lost time is never found again, said by Benjamin Franklin, and the source site is internet. So this is the way to present yourself, that you are true and people believe you more. People think, yes, this information is not fake. When you take any data, when you take any content from anywhere, data, figure, or any numbers, so mention